and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I am Linda, and if not, what's up? Today I have my makeup on, but I don't have my eyes done. I decided that I would whip out they used to be called Makeup Revolution, but now they're just Revolution makeup. They're just branded as Revolution now. And I wanted to pull out some of their stuff, so I decided I was going to use their 32 Ultra eyeshadow palette. So I decided to go with the Cool Tone palette. Cool thing is these have huge mirrors, so I decided I would play with this today. So as you can see, everything else is on my face, highlighter and all. I kind of went a little bit high strung to shine just as bright as the fireworks will be tonight. So if you want to see a cool tone eye look, stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe and post notifications are an absolute must. So hit that bell down below next to that subscribe button. So subscribe and turn your post notifications on so that way you know every time I upload. Now that you're a little bit even closer to my face, I figured we would just go ahead and get started. Obviously my eyelids have already been primed and prepped and ready to go. And so got all my good utensils here. And I got a mirror, so I'm going to try not to block your view. But then again, I am blind, so it's only going to be helpful. I don't really know what I want to do today, but these are the shadows. I'm going to start out with this pink shade. And they're really pigmented colors, so far pretty good. And this is using the pink shade here, not the red. So it's coming out warmer than I thought it would. And they do have fallout, but that's no problem to me. Just tap it off and you'll be good. Okay, that is the perfect transition shade. Now I'm going in with another fluffier brush and picking up, I want a cool tone look. That's my issues. I've probably never done a cool tone look. Let's head up this shade of purple right here and see where we go. They blend so effortlessly. Like, you have no idea how effortless this is. Okay, so now I'm taking another fluffy brush and I am going to go into the next shade to it, which is more plummy color. That's pigmented. I'm going back in again with no product on the brush and blending that out. And I said I was going for a cool tone look, and I don't think this is looking cool tone to me. So let's go for a more cooler shade now. No, I don't like that either. I'm just gonna go with this one. Now it's cool tone. Now we're getting somewhere. More precise brush, and I'm going to take this blue. May turn out to be indigo. My guess is it's not going to turn out right, but I'm just going to focus that right there. And now for the fun part, we are going to mix this. Gonna mix these two shimmers. I'm going to mix those two shimmers. Having fake nails and doing this is not fun. A flat shader brush sprayed with some setting spray. And just pick up that color again. I don't know. It almost like it took away from the color, from the pigmentation. Okay, so I have most of everything fixed. Let's see if I can find my original brush. I'm going to take the original brush. I'm going to put a little bit of that first shade on and blend everything together. With some concealer. Definitely make sure inner corners stand out. Okay, so I'm going to tightline with the Marc Jacobs whatever eyeliner this is. Doesn't really have a name to it, so I'm going to either go with the Jaunty Blue and 905 Electric Blue, or this one, to Waterline. I'm going with the non-wet one, the Jaunty Blue. It's creamier and I'm not going to destroy my eyeballs. Okay, well that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. I'm pretty sure I screwed up. I'm not the world's best, but this is the end result with my glasses on and then with my glasses off. And then if I can get the light to come over this direction. I don't know. My lighting situation sucks. Natural lighting here, a weird little spotlight over here. So we're just going with that. So we're just going to move you in further. How about that? So you can see with the glasses on, it kind of hides everything, but when you take the glasses off you can see. So this is it for this video. If you want to see more and you want to stick around, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, you know, that little thing right down below that says subscribe. Big red little, okay, it's not big, but it's a red little box. I'll even put a section up here on the screen that says subscribe, and I'll even add a cute little bell to remind you. You need to hit that bell notification not once but twice, so that way you are notified of every little thing that I could possibly post. Please ignore Lucy. She's just barking to bark at absolutely no one because she wants to go outside to lay in the wet mulch because it just stopped raining. So I hope you like this look. I don't know what else to say. If you want to see anything else, leave it in the comment section down below. I will put everything that is on my face in the description box. And as always, I love you. Thank you for watching and sticking by. If you want to see other content, please just let me know. Subscribe, the bell, don't forget the bell, and I will see you all in my next video, which will be hopefully sometime soon. Bye!